Large language models are being used by cybercriminals as tools for phishing and malware development. However, the AI chatbots might just be a different kind of scam. It didn't take long. Cybercriminals have created their own version of AI bots. The platforms may enhance thieves' capacity to create malicious software or phishing emails that fool recipients into providing their login information. The systems, which are supposed to replicate ChatGPT and Google's Bard functionality, produce text in response to the questions or instructions that users enter. However, these chatbots are advertised for criminal operations, in contrast to LLMs produced by legitimate companies. 2 chatbots have been promoted in recent weeks on the dark web communities WormGPT and FraudGPT. The dubious LLMs assert that they will remove all safety precautions and moral restraints. The creators of WormGPT assert that the program enables infinite character support and code formatting. The AI models are especially helpful for phishing since they make it easier for many inexperienced thieves to get started. The GPTJ language model, an open-source language model created by AI research team Eleuther AI in 2021, was allegedly the foundation upon which the WormGPT system was built, according to the system's creator. The datasets they utilized to train the algorithm have been hidden from the public. FraudGPT's developer has stated that their system has further potential, claiming that it has the ability to create undetectable malware, uncover breaches and vulnerabilities, as well as create text that might be used in online frauds. Even if people who promote chatbots insist that they exist, it is difficult to confirm the structure and legitimacy of the systems. Researchers have shown that cybercriminals who engage in scams typically attempt to take advantage of one another, don't provide what they promise, and provide poor customer service. The supplier of the WormGPT tool is relatively reliable and has experience in forums for cybercrime. We advise the public to exercise caution and stay away from these tools. Thank you for watching.